Hello friends. Okay, so this is a very interesting video. It is the Dollar General clearance event, and this clearance event there's a whole bunch of new merchandise and a whole bunch of very valuable coupons that makes a really great clearance event. So as we get closer to Friday, when the event starts, and it's going to be Friday the 3rd right through to the following Thursday. So it's a week, plus we have 5 off 25 and 10 off 40 to go with the week. Your store will either be a 50 off or a 70 off. The 70 offs are a little rarer to find, and these are old signs, so please don't write the wrong sign in a comment because they're old. But just to show you, this is the sort of thing you're going to find, and just scan any of the barcodes I'm going to provide for you, and if it's ringing up either a 70% off or a 50% off, you'll figure out what kind of store you have. For the purposes of this video, we're going to do 50% off matchups because the majority of you will have that. And I'm not looking at any non-updated stores. It's all updated stores with zero overage because where I live, we don't have the non-updateds anymore. Okay, so at a 50% off store, for example, a dollar item starting on Friday the 3rd will be 50 cents. At a 70 store, that same dollar item will be 30 cents. So pairing it with digital coupons, if it's like one of the detergents or softeners that we're looking at, the 70 store, you'll probably get most of your stuff for free. And in your app, you'll be able to figure out, do you have a 50 or a 70 store? Again, the dates are October the 3rd to the 9th. There is no early activation on Thursday the 2nd. It starts, it's going to change over in the app around 5 a.m. Eastern on the 3rd, and really pay attention that items are ringing up and you're not overpaying. Sometimes that first day items might ring up full price and the cashier might have to modify it. So really pay attention at the register. Many stores in rural areas will pull these gray totes out from the back that are used for storage, and often they put just clearance items in it, and often a lot of penny items will be found in them. So if you might see them and you remember the various penny lists, don't be shy to peek through them. You might find a whole lot of penny items. Some markets do not have these gray totes, but if you live smaller town, probably you'll find them. Little pop quiz for you. This was from last week's penny list. It is a Dunkin' cinnamon coffee. That sounds absolutely delightful. It's a penny, and this doesn't have an expiry date till next February, so I don't know what they were thinking other than it was my triple birthday and Christmas because I was pretty excited. So if you scan that, it should ring up 0.00, and at the register, you're paying a penny. A solid pharmacy shopper, if you can see these tables just filled with stuff, this is why the clearance event is really worth your time. It's a whole lot of fun. Pairing it with digital coupons and penny items and other little things that you can find. It's just a good amount of fun. And the purposes of this video, we are looking at a store that is at 50% off. I'm not going to be doing 70% off math. But if you have a 70 store, I am really jealous. Last time we didn't have a 70 store, but I love the Dollar General clearance event. It is my favorite. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we get into the matchups, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hit the hype button. I would be so grateful. This video took a little bit of time for the pictures and to do all the math. Okay, so how I'm going to do this, guys, is I'm going to show you the digital coupon that you need to load and then the items. So this one is a dreamboat of a coupon. We have various of these double plugs that will be freebies with that 5 off. It's, I think, going to be $4.50. So with that coupon, it'll just reduce the coupon down to free. And it is these double packs. This one is called Bora Bora. And then this Serene Vanilla Sunrise. I've seen this at multiple stores, so this is probably the easier one that you'll find. And usually I always see it in the clearance section just loafing around. And I'm like, I want a coupon for this to get it very cheap. So finally, we're getting our way. Load that $5 coupon. It is fantastic. We also have this, which is the $2 off. So there is one that is called Old Spice, and it was in the last clearance event, but there's still a lot found at many stores because when I was bebopping and taking all these pictures, I still saw it in plenty. So it's going to be like, I think, $1.80 with that $2 coupon. It's a freebie. Another coupon that you should load is this $3 off. There are two different, it's an oil and a plug by Airwick. There's this one called vanilla, pink papaya, and another one I think is called Hawaiian. After that coupon, it's free. I think it's like $1.57. So that $3 coupon will reduce down to $1.57 at the new stores. The next coupon that we're going to load is this $2 one. And every clearance section around here has a ton of the double plugs in the clearance section. Make sure you scan them all. This one is called Peach and Sweet Nectar. After that $2 coupon, 32 cents. Like, this is all this air care stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, this guy will be like $5.40. After that $2 coupon, it's $3.40. I know they had like cinnamon flavors and like more holiday stuff. And now we have this one for the Airwick Essential Mist Refill. So with this $2 coupon, this friend will be 42 cents. And we have lavender almond blossom. And if you like oils, they tend to last a little bit longer. This is one I would definitely pick up. Okay, now this one, if it's still around by Friday, it is a $2 cashback on the Selena Gomez cookies. And so what it means, a cashback, is that you pay out the amount first and then you will get this after. So the Selena Gomez cookies starting on Friday will be $2.22. After your $2 cashback, it's 22 cents per bag of cookies. Look for this if they have like a food clearance area or in the regular Oreo cookie aisle. 22 cents is absolutely fantastic. And moving it along, load this coupon. It's a 10 off of 2. Currently, we have in the regular section the Dove whole body, kind of a cream one, and then one that's like a thicker bar. They're $9, so they'll be $4.50 starting on Friday. So 2 of them will be $9. After that coupon, it's a complete freebie. Wow. I apologize, guys. I only have one UPC. There was some guy smelling every single deodorant in the Dollar General, so my photography skills were rather limited because he was just just lurking around. He's like, I want to smell good. I'm like, I didn't know what to say. It was just an awkward thing. So I got one UPC and the other one's completely out of focus. Okay, and now we have the $1 off for the Clorox, Pine Sol, Liquid Plumber, blah, blah, blah. These have been in the clearance section for a couple clearance event. It will be $1.47 at a 50% off store. The larger ones will be $3.27, but you're getting 24 for that price. I mean, that's your Christmas and birthday right there. This is a product, very, very interesting. The Liquid Plumber Gold, $1.47 for that. Like, that's a no-brainer. Definitely be on the lookout for that. Fantastic product. We have a $3 coupon for the Bic. There's this razor, and the last couple clearance event, it's always rung up $6.50, so you will need a modification. But if it should work, it should be 25 cents after that digital coupon. But this is one like this and the single Charmins. They never ring up properly. But if it's got the clearance sticker, you can always say, it's not ringing up right. You might be so lucky to track down some of these Dove body washes. There's one called Eucalyptus, and it would be 80 cents, which is a very good price point for it's invigorating eucalyptus. But this one, yeah. It's been spotted at a couple stores near me. This one doesn't have a digital coupon yet. It might on October the 1st, but $3.92. I love this shampoo. It is fantastic. This $1 coupon is a DG store coupon. So if you were going to use this with a 5 off 25, you would be $1 short. Just remember that because it's a store coupon. So this friend would be $2.70, which is a fabulous price point. And an 8-pack of these I call them JCPenney knockoff, but the True Living sponges, $1.65, absolutely stock up. And now we are going to talk about some laundry stuff. Obviously, I think on the 1st of the month, we are going to get more digital coupons. So you might want to check the app again and load more coupons as the week is rocking and rolling. Okay, so this coupon, $1.05 off of a Downy or Gain, load it for the next couple. Because I'm going to show you the price after this coupon. And the first is this 90 count for $2.65. Can you imagine this at a 70 store? And then the friend, which is this massive bottle for $3.87 for 150 loads. Wow. Now we also have this $1.55 off of a Downy Gain or Draft. pick and choose wisely which one you want to grab. It's only going to apply to one item. This massive thing of fireworks would be $5.62. In my opinion, I think it's still too expensive, but that's just me. And then we have this Downy for $3.37. Not a bad price point. And it's a sizable one. It's like 13 ounces. And then we have another 13 ouncer for $3.37. Same price point with that digital coupon. Pick and choose wisely again which one you want to do. And $2.92 for this Gain Relax Dewdrop Dreams. I think that's a discontinued scent because I'm seeing it all over the place. We have a 34 counter of the Gain Island Fresh dryer sheets. It's a very good price point for dryer sheets. And $4.85, no digital coupon for this, for Dewdrops and Dreams. So there it is. And then we have a detergent with no coupons for $2.75 for this Super Fresh Blast. And then this one, I'm really hoping a coupon shows up. It's the Downy Ultra Soft Balance for $4.50, so it would be $2.25. Wouldn't it be nice to get a $2 coupon? And then his big sister, which is the Gain Fabric Softener and Spring Daydreams for $2.02. This guy, at many stores, if you look at it, it's usually a clear consistency. It's brown. $3.47. I would love a really good coupon for that. And the dryer sheets for $2.75. Again, rinse and repeat. I keep saying, I want a coupon, but I would love a coupon for this one. And the Bounce 60 count in Refreshing Breeze for $1.77. You can do a lot with a $25 basket with all those laundry care products. And the Chapstick 3-pack for $1.17. That is a stock-up price if I've ever seen one. And everybody's favorite Tylenol for $3.82. And it's a 100 counter. So one item I would definitely put in a 5 off 25. Loading This Friend, which is $1 off. There is some bar soap that's been in the last couple clearance events, but I'm still seeing a bunch of it. So This Friend would be $2.75 for a 6-pack of bar soap. We also have this Pond's cold cream. It's a makeup remover for $1.80. That is old school makeup remover, so loving seeing that. And another cashback is the $1.25 on the dial. It's a limit of 1. We have this kids, it's a big pump of kids body wash. So this guy would be $1.75 after the cashback. Now, in case some Nivea coupons show up, it did for the last clearance event. Right now, this is $1.72. We had an IBOTTA $2 rebate for that, making it completely free the last one. And the Intense Healing, which is the larger one, for $3.25. With a lot of these P&G products, Olay, I'm thinking there might be some digital coupons starting on October the 1st, but we're looking at $4.50 for this little lotion. This L'Oreal Paris would be $4.92. This you're getting a lot more product, so I think it's the better buy. And another little trial size one is $4.80 for this serum. I know a lot of you really like the fancy stuff. And we're going to close with some food, including this massive bag of roasted garlic Idahoan, I hope I said it right, potatoes for $1.42. The Peter Pan peanut butter for $1.37. That is a very good price point. And 55 cents for some cream of chicken. There is a lot of food, guys, so don't be shy to look at the food. Scan, scan, scan with the app as well. And then we have this, I think it's a 1-pound bag of brown rice for 50 cents. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Get ready for Friday. It's going to be fantastic. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.